Welcome to Building with Bud. Today we're able to demonstrate our new laser level supplied by LG. And what we've got to do today is we're setting it up, and we've got to fix some noggins, and we've set a mark there, and we can then just transfer that on all the way through in a nice easy motion. I haven't got to keep the levels out, ain't got to get the tape out. That's set to that, so we can now mark all the bearings, uprights, and my job done. Brilliant. So if we want, we could actually go there, we can have both lines, but for now I just want the vertical one, or the horizontal one rather. So that's cool. That's what we're looking at. Let's get it on, let's mark it. The light is really strong. It's really good. A lot of these you just can't see it. So right, so we've done that. So I ain't got to think about levels. I ain't got to think about tape measures. We'll set it up on there. So we're trying out these star fix keys, screws. Never tried them before. Give it a little blast. No one's fastened in the front. I like to put a pilot hole through, but that's just me. Not so much easy. Go this way like that. Got a good bite. Get one in the top. Bee. I certainly get a good wind in. Yeah, that's the first one in. So as we can see, I've got my line bang through the centre. I ain't got to measure nothing. I ain't actually got to bother to get my level out, which is great. That's free my hands up, look. No levels, no tapes. So I can now just continue getting the noggins through. Let's see how we get on. Got a nasty big knot there on my thummies. Get a pole in there. That knot is kicking back. I'm not over sold on these star fixes, but I'll have a little play with it. That's just me adjusting from poly to this. Right, get that there. Right, get that back. See if we're nice and flush. Yeah, nothing's sticking out. You don't put your boards on, then that's. Yeah, so we can see that's nice and flush. That's what we're after. Dee. Lovely bite that, lovely bite. I'm just checking on my level, and that is looking superb. We've got the line right the way through there, and I've done no tape, no level. Lovely, that's what we want. Right, let's get the next couple in. We'll measure them up, and we'll get them cut, and then we'll fix it all. Baby. Now if we were in a stud wall where we've got to put boards each side, we put the noggins that way, but because we only got a board this side, I like to go like that, and we can get a big area to fix the boards to. Yeah, that's looking good. Get on to the next one. lucky last. Get that fixed. It's looking good. Got that. Cool. So you can see we've got all the noggins in, and no straight line, using our layers go laser level. And this is one of the many benefits of using this type of kit. It really does make life a lot easier. I'm well impressed. Nice piece in the corner. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. And you can pick one of these up on Amazon. And if you use our 10% discount, which we'll put up, you can save yourself a little bit of money.